Ima o, agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no ṣe o, eriẹ̀rù wa bàbá o, gbogbo rẹ̀ fẹ́ o, iye. Ima o, agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no ṣe o, eriẹ̀rù wa bàbá o, gbogbo rẹ̀ fẹ́ o, iye. Ima rere o, agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no ṣe o. Eriaruwa baba o, Bokpora fe o. One of our Benin musician, our Papa Osamore, na singer Uno ma na ide kima. I talk for you, I tell her for you. Uno ma na ide kima. I talk for you, I talk for you. Uno ma na ide kima. Root of all evil na money, root of all evil na money. Uno man na ide kima. This our country where we dey now for Nigeria, Edo State. Na uno man na ide kima. One of our musicians na singer for sing. That's why una see am say new generation prophet Atiti na come say. Me, I know the tell person my secrets. Only person when I don't tell my secret for my life. Una know Suzuki, and he can't talk for what for. He can't talk for hope. Me anyway, more the look. But waiting me, they try to sing now. The sing with me, they sing now. Won't I not understand? Agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no se o, baba egaruwa baba o, gbogbo rẹ̀ fẹ́ o, ije. Imarere o, agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no ṣe o, eriaruwa bàbá o, gbogbo ráfẹ́ o, ìjẹ, uno ma na ide kima, uno ma na ide kima. Una good morning, na me una brother new generation prophet Atiti. God go bless una for money, go bless una for evening, anything una dey put on, go dey better. Hey, I want to tell my people, my country people, wey dey around the world, wetin dey happen for social media. So if you be man, you have to learn something. If you be woman, you have to learn something. All wetin dey happen for social media, so na learning to everybody individual. Na for you to get sense, na for you to learn. If you say you be commentators, you have to learn something. If you say you be presenter, you have to learn something. Na me be illiterate. So you see all those group of people when they see, so time they come when I go no say new generation they talk truth. I they see some now, some they clap follow them. They say right on, continue, right on, continue. Time they come wall of una eye go clear. Uno man na ide kima. I tell you for this, I tell you for this. Uno man na ide kima. Agbọ̀ngbọ̀n no se eriaruwa bàbá o, gbogbo rẹ̀ fẹ́ o, iye. Baba God, this morning, this day when it breaks so, this day when it breaks so, this early morning when it breaks so. You know my heart. If I get out when I take the destroy man, get destroy woman, make this day wey break so, may strike me down. But anybody when I not find me, this day when it dark, they break so, it goes destroy the person. Nothing wey money no dey do for this life. E dey for inside Bible. Money is all root of all evil. Abeg. You know say me, I talk at that day say I dey run for presenters. Na truth. But me dey tell una this morning now, any of una wey dey there, mama, papa, wetin dey happen for social media, e reach for person to learn, for person to get sense. Na you dey do my own, dey go. Una say as I dey do my own, so I no find person. Person when he find me, I go find am. But the sing when I dey sing, that's why you see am since when I call this presenter, anyhow I take put am. I get friend before. I get friend wey una know before. But when I do video finish, He go come out the throw parable. Make the photo say in a good pass. Even I do video finish, go come out on the throw parable. Make the talk say in a good pass. I call the observer. So since then, hola, buenos dias. Since then, I dey look like they put for grant. I dey look like they put for grant. Before who know man go come kill man. Before who know man go come kill man, come they look like they put for grant. There's if me the thief, I dey carry friend the waka they go. If me the thief, I dey carry friend the waka. The friend na say thief o. Abuna no know. Now parable I throw for there. If I dey waka, I get best friend. Now wetin I know, now the friend know. Based on the say feather fly together o. There's a BJ fly together. There's a this way feather fly together o. Now wetin you teach your now you go sabi. Now wetin I teach my pikin now. I dey teach am say I be native doctor. No be my pikin, no be native doctor my pikin go do. As I dey do native doctor, I teach my pikin how to keep person. If my pikin come, no be how to you go dey see the keep person. As me dey do native doctor, so wey the whole world know. If I teach my pikin the medicine wey dey take keep person, wey my papa no gree teach me, I don reach some age before my papa teach me, and I no fit teach am my pikin as the young so. If I don dey breathe say my age don dey go say I don dey go where papa dey, I come teach am say this one, this see the work wey this one do for now, I never teach am. But if me just start to use that dey destroy now, no be the same thing go sabi my pikin. Uno man, I dey kill man, I take am for you. Uno man, e time away. Last year, now I tell you say, be careful. Go think the day when I tell you this word, you commonize am for me. You say wetin I dey talk. Last year, April last year, when I dey talk to Monica Atuari wey be bad head, wey all of una dey support today. Monica, the atrocity when he don commit for Benin land, una see the clap follow and the time go call all of una go, all of us go see the as go take end. Now I tell you say, be careful. You say wetin I dey talk. Wetin I dey talk. Who know ma? Na in dey kill ma. Who know ma? But Obaze tell you no yeah. So now very short message. Now the message our Benin musician Osamore Joseph. You know many parable where Osamore Joseph give through way that all of una no. At the con they remember on small. You know, so Osamore Joseph is singer for plenty sing. That's our papa. May days be long. May days be long. The work with our papa do so, he go live am for a pikin. A pikin go take and they eat. You know, many sing. If you not go to listen to Osamore sing, Osamore Joseph, you not go to listen to sing. You know, say a musician sing this time. If he sing 10 years time, 20 years time, then they'll take a word, they do something. A word or content and they do something. You know, so Osamore sing and say, let us give our woman a chance. Since our men, all of them are courtists. Since our men, all of them are courtists now, we'll give women a chance. Osamore first talk and down. He sit talk and say, who no man? Now they kill man. Osaboy gume zosi no digo gbe won o. May God not let una drop get friend because of money will go because of friend will go because of money kill una. Mona not let una get the kind brother or friend. If you be my friend, stand as my friend. Don't mind the condition. Don't mind the circumstances. Benin people are too wicked. Benin people are too wicked. Mona change for an evil way. They don't talk to another year. Not too wicked. Mona change for an evil way. No better people. Some of you are not better again because of evil. Now want be us here. Now want be house. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and loses his soul? What shall it profit you now? Now. Na so I drop the message reach. The pikin when I born, I wrote that for Kanakon. I thank God say pikin when I born and law read. Wabira wabiju wabe manolele working and devil go punish all people when they follow the waka. Evil people for the community. They clap for you. You don't destroy man, you don't destroy woman house. They see they clap for you. All what you do to man, all what you do to woman, na so all of them go happen to your family. Na so go happen to the people when they follow the waka. Some time ago, last year when I called, say Oteme, Eminuna, Imalake, Ruenwayana, it isn't a lie to talk. But today, who know ma, na ide kima, the manage the circumstances, who know ma, na ide kima. That's why if I want marry for this life, if I want marry, woman when I feel control, woman when I feel talk to. You know say woman, some women, they do something, they don't look grand. If I get woman now, my woman, the way they talk to my friend feel provoke. That's why the woman when I feel control, woman when I tell say sit down for there, he go sit down. Not be the type of woman when I first marry. When I go say A, he go say Z. No. If I say Z, you say A, you they come up from my house, not be you they feed me. If I say Z, you say A, you they come up from my house, not be you they feed me, not be you they give me food. I know they wait for woman make come feed me. 6 o'clock now I take come up for us this morning. I don't come here. So now the woman when I feel control for my life, now I go put for house. Any woman when I there for bad situation, it go stand with her. There be a shower. Some of them for instance, they are coward. So that's why I drop the message. Una bye bye.